Here I have Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the swipe shutter button tool and select take burst shot. And now to take a burst shot you just have to swipe shutter button down like this, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see right now it took about 31 shot, and here you can review this shot. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.